Hello everyone, this is going to be a short video where I go through certain sub-problems of problem number 3 from Monday's lecture worksheet. We have a series which has been created from a list of integer values. The name of the variable is called v. We've been given certain expressions whose result we have to evaluate. Let me go through the first expression over here, which is asking v less than 0. We'll have to apply element-wise comparison here. -1 is less than 0, so you're going to get true. 1 is not less than 0, so you're going to get false. Similarly, 200 is not less than 0, so you're getting false. You'll get false for 191 and you'll also get false for 4 over here. So if you go ahead and write the corresponding index, you're going to get 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 over here. And the data type of the outcome here is going to be bool. So you're going to get a Boolean series always whenever you apply comparison operator. Let's go through subproblem number 2. It's asking you two different things. It's asking v into v equal to 1. So you have two different element-wise operators over here. First one is the multiplication sign and the second one is the double equal to sign. You're going to apply multiplication sign first because of the precedence. So when you multiply v by v, you're going to get 1 for the first value and 1 for the second value, 40,000 for the third value, and then for the fourth value it's 191 squared, whatever that is. Then you're going to get 16 for the last value. The next comparison operator double equal to is asking you to compare every element with the value 1. So you're going to get true for the first entry, true for the second entry, then false for the third entry, false for the fourth entry and false for the fifth entry. Similarly, you're going to have the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as above, and the data type once again is going to be Boolean. Whenever you make a comparison operator, you're going to get a Boolean data type out of that. Let me go through problem number 3 also, and then I'll leave the rest for you to go through on your own. It's asking us to first apply the comparison operator v greater than 100. Then it's asking us to apply whatever is the outcome of that comparison operator back to v. So it's asking us to do Boolean indexing. So let's go ahead and determine the result of the first comparison operator, which is v greater than 100. So I'm going to go ahead and write that above this problem number 3. So -1 is not greater than 100, so you're going to get false. 1 is not greater than 100, you're going to get false. Then 200 is greater than 100, so you're going to get true. You're going to get true for 191 as well, and then finally you're going to get false for 4, and the corresponding index is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's go ahead and apply the Boolean series back to the original series. So if we do that, wherever you have a false, you're not going to extract that particular value, right? So you're not going to extract value at index position 0, 1 and 4. You're only interested in the value at index position 2 and 3. So you're going to get 200 and 191, and the corresponding row, sorry, not row index, corresponding index will be retained as such. So you're going to get 2 and 3 corresponding to those index positions for the values 200 and 191. Alright, make sure to go through the rest of the problems because some of the terminologies with respect to pandas is really tricky, especially the usage of the term index, which corresponds to a key in Python dictionary. That will be all for today's lecture.